In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link color in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly update the color of any links inside your text without digging through complicated settings. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match your website's branding or just make your links easier to see and click first. Open the Elementor editor for any page on your website. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to your pages list and choosing to edit that page with Elementor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page in the center and the Elementor panel on the left. Next, click on the text where your link is located. If that text is inside a text editor widget, you'll want to select that specific widget. You can do this either by clicking directly on the text in the page preview or by using the navigator if you prefer a more organized view of your elements. Once the text editor widget is selected, its editing and styling options will appear on the left sidebar. Now, look at the top of the left sidebar and click on the Style tab. This is where you control the visual appearance of your text, including the color of links. Under the Style tab, make sure you're in the normal state, not hover or anything else. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Link Color. To the right of Link Color, you'll notice a color swatch. Click on that swatch to open the color picker. Here, you can either drag around to visually choose a color, or if you already know your brand's exact color code, you can type in the hex value. As soon as you pick a color, you'll see the link color update live in the preview in the center of the screen. This live preview makes it easy to test a few different shades until you find the one that looks best with your design and remains readable. When you're happy with the new link color, it's time to save your work. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+S if you're on Windows, or Command+S on a Mac to save the changes. You can also click the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. After saving, your new link color will be applied on the live page for your visitors to see. And that's all you need to do to change the link color in Elementor.